New at 5, we're now hearing from the lawyers of this Native American woman suing a local school district, claiming her religious and free speech rights were violated.
We told you yesterday she claims Broken Arrow district staff took a Native American feather off her graduation cap last year. Fox 23's Tanya Motorzycki spoke with her lawyers about the case and joins us live.
Graduation day is usually a huge milestone in someone's life that should be celebrated, but for Lene Black, it was a day filled of anxiety. While the Broken Arrow Public Schools class of 2022 celebrated this moment a year ago, Lene Black will be scarred from this day. May 15th, she filed this lawsuit. Her lawyer, Shoni Blake, says Black was wearing a feather, which is sacred to her family.
Initially left the field because she was having such an intense emotional response to this.
However, the feather was taken off her cap.
And received her eagle plume in ceremony when she was 3 years old. So it was part of a religious and cultural ceremony where she was prayed over.
Black says the district violated her religious and free speech rights. But in an email, the district says we are allowing students to represent their tribal, religious, or ethnic heritage at our graduation ceremony. While I can't speak for other school districts in the state of Oklahoma, at Broken Arrow Public Schools, our students do have the option to add items to their graduation regalia.
And then she received what she thought was permission from her teacher. And there wasn't really much communication after that. I will say also, as you can read in the complaint, that she went through various checkpoints at graduation and she interacted with lots of teachers and different administrators. It wasn't until she was going onto the football field for the actual ceremony that this became an issue.
Levi Likens is Cherokee and is graduating from BAPS this year.
I know this year for Cherokees, we got a braided rope cord.
He says he would rather wear pieces that represent his heritage. Because he can't is why he's choosing not to walk across the stage.
If I were to walk, though, I'd want to be able to decorate my hat. I'd want to be able to wear, whatever I do. Because there's other programs for the school that I've done that I represented.
Black's lawyers say what justice looks like for her is that this never happens to another student again, and she hopes that's what comes from this lawsuit. Live in Broken Arrow covering news that matters, I'm Tanya Motorzycki, Fox 23 News.